seasoned potato chips. So I've got some vegetable oil that's heating up, and here are the potatoes. So these are Yukon Gold potatoes, and come in here and look at this page. See how thin they are?
Thin.
I sliced these on a mandolin. Now, I'm just gonna say a mandolin or some kind of V-slicer is really critical if you wanna make potato chips like this. It's pretty much impossible to get them this thin with a knife. I'm actually patting these potatoes dry. They've been soaking in water just to get them ready to fry. So while they totally dry off, I'm gonna make a little seasoning mix for them, and this is scrumptious. So come in here and look, Paige, at this sparkly, wonderful sea salt. And then the same amount of black pepper, dill, celery salt, and smoked paprika, yum. You can do any sort of seasoning mix that you want. You can make it spicy, you can add, different herbs if you like, or you can just use a really good store-bought seasoning mix. But there is nothing better than homemade potato chips. Am I right, girls?
Right.
Amen.
So good. All right, come look, Paige. Let's see how dry they are. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so potato chips are best fried in batches. So I'm gonna drop a little test in there. Yeah,
I hear
floated right to the top. So I'll go ahead and get these in there. All right, so check it out, Paige. Use a slotted spoon, or I love these big spiders like this. And basically you just need to move the potatoes around until they start to get golden brown and crisp. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the first batch out. Drip off as much oil as you can. These are so thinly sliced that they didn't take long at all to cook. And you can get some batches a little bit darker, keep some batches a little lighter, so then you have a lot of variety. Okay, ooh, look at this. And then I'll take this seasoning mix and give it a really generous sprinkle.
Yum.
All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of the potatoes. Pat them dry, fry them, remove them, season them. I'll keep going until all the potatoes are done. And then Betsy should be here soon, so don't go away. I'll see you on the other side. Homemade seasoned chips.
Yep.
It sure
This
is.
is like my kind of welcome. That's
I'm
what
so
you
glad
need.
you're here.
I'll just be here with this for
I will
a
too.
while.
In fact, let's just forget the rest of the stuff we were gonna cook and just eat
Okay.
this. Yay for sisters.